Our role is actually supporting schools and all the technology needs they have across the many sites that we have and the many students and staff. We actually serve over 75 sites, of which most are schools. Total number of students, over 50,000. Total number of staff members, somewhere around 6,500 full-time staff members. We support the technology in the schools, whether it be a classroom technology, smart boards, printers, network access, Wi-Fi. We also support everything in the data center. The current data center is actually housed in a location which is actually not really intended to be a data center. It's essentially renovated office space that was retrofitted to be a data center. Moving to a new renovated data center was a top priority for us. So we actually brought in different vendors, had conversations about what the needs were for schools and also for county IT. And we pretty much at that point let the county actually take the lead on procuring that infrastructure in the new data center.
So Henrico County's been a longtime customer of ours. We were able to provide the equipment, the contractor to do the installation, as well as the project management services. We worked with the IT group to develop a SmartAisle contained solution, one for the county government, one for the public schools, that would both fit within the footprint of their data center.
So one of the things that was very important to us very early on was making sure we brought in the right solutions to actually ensure that the infrastructure, which was a significant investment for schools, was being properly maintained, properly powered, properly cooled.
One of the components, the primary components to the electrical infrastructure is obviously the UPS, and the EXM is the model we decided to go with, again, because of its own modularized components. You know, we're starting off at 100 kVA, but we can add modules and make that 150. In our case, we wanted to contain hot aisle because for the CRVs, because they're integrated into the racking system, you know, that helps us increase that delta T as far as across the cooling coils, which makes them more efficient. And plus, that also lets us provide cooling where we need it most. So again, with the density and technologies, you're talking about blade servers or hyperconverged, you want to be able to get the most cooling where it's needed.
We have quite a bit of new technologies in our new data center, which support everything from cloud applications to on-premise applications that run out of the data center. So actually going with the solutions we have from Vertiv ensure that we actually wouldn't really necessarily have to worry about anything on the power of the cooling side. We could focus on what was important, which was the design, the implementation, the execution, the optimizing of the infrastructure, and ensuring that it would scale and it would perform. So Vertiv was a great solution for us.